Yo guys, welcome back to another video on the channel today. Today we're doing my first ever engine mod, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing everything myself, so this can either go good or your mom might have a piece. So pretty much I bought myself an air filter and pretty much we're gonna be installing it onto my car today. So hopefully my car does sound good. Hopefully it adds like 2 brake horsepower, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? When I'm skirting down the block and I see a girl, I'm like, but yeah, I want to show you guys the air filter. But before I do that, if you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. You know, we hit 400 subs. That's what, hey, thank you guys for helping me hit 400 subs. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. But yeah, pretty much we're gonna unbox it. This is the air filter, you know, I got it from a HALFORDS. I was gonna get the Ram air filter, but I looked at the price. What's the price? Prices. That was like £50, you know. Money's not there at the moment. This one costs £20, HALFORDS thing. Hopefully it does just as good. But yeah, this is the air filter. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I have opened it before, but I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. It does say universal, so hopefully it does fit my car. If it don't, then But yeah, let's take out the air filter. This is what it's looking like. Oh yeah, when I see pop and I say pop, this is borderline sick. This is what the cone filter looks like, you know. I got it from HALFORDS. Hopefully it fits and you basically get these adapters with it that makes it universal. But yeah, we're gonna be fitting that onto my car today. Hopefully it sounds good, you know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, let me quickly show you guys what my car sounds like at the moment. Alright, cool. So yeah, that's it. That's what it sounds like at the moment. It doesn't sound that good, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully when we put the air filter on, it starts to sound a bit better. Pretty much what we need to do is we need to get a T20 and basically screw out 4 bolts. There's 1 bolt here, 2 there, and I think there's 1 right at the back over there. And then we need to take this whole part off. But before we do that, there's zip ties right here that I need to basically cut off. So pretty much we have these 2 tools. I'm going to use this to cut off the zip ties. We're going to use this to unscrew the 4 bolts over here. Let's just get started. Alright, so we got the first zip tie off and the next zip tie is right here. Bow. Basically we just separated this wire from the thing so we can start screwing this off now and we can get the air filter out. So yeah, so far it's going great, you know what I'm saying? If I mess anything up, alright, boom, we got the first screw out. Yeah, sorted. Did you get it? That one thing, you don't want to lose that screw because if you lose it, long day. Teach you guys a little something. Right here is the brake fluid. That shit's crazy. And right there, as you can see, the coolant. That shit's crazy. And in here, oil. That shit's crazy. And you need God, bro. Alright, so basically now we've got all the 4 bolts off. There's basically a clip right here. So basically, apparently we need to like push down on these clips and then lift it from here. I'm gonna try my best to get this off, and let's just try this shit.
What? LSTER.
What are you doing? So I'm having some technical difficulties. This thing doesn't want to come off.
Hello, I'm Harry, I'm 22 and I get my asshole fingered sometimes.
Alright, so after like 35 times 2 multiplied by 10, this nigga has an Actimel. Basically, we finally got this thing. Finally got this thing off. Literally, I forgot to bring a screw for this, so I had to use this to basically get this off, and it came off, and I'm happy that it came off. Boom. Okay. Alright, so basically this is pretty much the filter that filters your car. I'm just gonna take this one out, we don't need it.
You don't need that.
Don't need this no more. Oh, it's so clean though. Like, so clean. Look how clean that is.
Just shut up.
So pretty much I've been trying to figure out which 2 adapters to use. So I think I got to use these 2, and then that should go straight onto there and attach the pipe. Let's just jump straight in and do this. So pretty much we need to shove this small one onto the end of this, and that's basically an adapter. So I think this is pretty hard to do, but I'm just gonna try my best to get it on. That's the first one on. Now I need to put this one on. I'm winging this at this point, I'm not gonna lie. This is the hole. Yeah. You know what we do with holes on these sides. Chill. We're gonna pretty much just put this straight on now. Oh, shove that right on there. Oh, what a tight fit. I love them tight. Oh! I reckon it's on.
Parlez-vous français?
Pretty much now all I need to do is screw in the hose clamp to tighten it up. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but we're gonna figure this out. Right, so as you can see, we fully installed the air filter.
Hello, I'm Harry, I'm 22, and I get my asshole fingered sometimes.
Engine warning lights, look at the engine warning lights. 3, 2, 1. Let that run for a bit, fam. No engine warning lights. Your boy's done a good job, you know? Yes guys, as you can see, we have finally finished installing the air filter to my car. I'm not gonna lie, it does sound good. I gave it a little rev and I left it running for a few minutes to check if there's any engine warning lights, and there literally is no engine warning lights on the dash. So we have installed it good. When I do drive home, I'm gonna double check it with my dad and have a look over it and make sure everything's good. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like now. It does sound sick. What do you guys think of the engine bay at the moment? It only cost me £20 from HALFORDS and it's pretty easy to install. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little rev and then we're gonna do a before and after of what it sounded like. Shit. But yeah, if you did like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. You know, if you do want to do this, I'll definitely 100% recommend it, especially if you have a Corsa, because it pretty much does fit. But yeah, I'll end the video here. If you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more modifications to my car, you know, it's slowly coming along. We're getting things moving with it now. But yeah, if you do want to see more stuff, leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. No, this guy's violating me.